Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my Type 63. Here it is. So this is the same way I folded my SKS, which I have here, of course. Yep, so someone requested it, so this is what I came up with here. And guys, I also have my AKM right here, so if you haven't checked that out, you should go check that out as well, and check out the SKS as well. And guys, check out the other video also, and please consider subscribing, okay? Please. So first you need a full sheet of paper, or this is a quarter size paper, which I like to use, or you can use a full sheet of A4 paper. So first you want to fold it in half, just like this. And then you see where the center line is right here. You want to fold this corner inside, so you want to bring this edge right up to that top edge, okay? Same thing on the other side as well. So bring this edge to the top edge right there. And crease that up. Then you want to unfold just like that. And then you want to open this pocket right here and push in this corner, okay? Following this crease line that we just made. Okay, so the same thing on the other side as well. So open up this pocket here, then push in this corner right inside. Okay. And now we're going to sink in the bottom. So you see that smaller edge on the bottom right here? Fold it right up to that top edge. Okay. Like so. And then make a crease right on the bottom. Then you want to unfold. Then you want to sink this bottom portion inside, okay? So you want to open up the whole model, and you see that smaller rectangle in the middle? You want to fold up all the side, okay? You want to fold up all the crease line. Just like that. Then you want to fold down on the middle, of course. So you have to follow the crease line. So you see that triangle? You want to first fold that triangle down. Okay, fold the other triangle as well. And fold the middle. There's a little bit of construction outside. I hope it doesn't pick up too much. Okay. And now face it so the longer edge is facing towards you and the shorter edge is in the back. So you gotta flip it over just like that. Okay, it's both on the same side. I just like to use a clean edge for the front, but it depends how you cut the paper. I just like to rip it. It has a fuzzy end and a clean end. Okay, now you see that bottom piece right here, the front. So make sure it's in the same direction. Short edge, long edge. Okay, take that bottom piece and flip it right over like so. and you want to take that top piece in the back and flip it forward, just like that. Okay, and so this is going to be the magazine right here. It's going to be the gas port, or whatever that is, and the barrel and the stock right here. And for the stock, you want to fold in this triangle. So you see where that corner is right there? You want to fold that triangle right where that corner is, okay? And make sure that edge lines up. Okay, fold that triangle right there. Then you want to unfold. Then you want to open up that pocket. Then fold that triangle right inside, okay? And now you want to fold this model in half, okay? So just make sure it's in the same direction and fold it in half, okay? Like so. And now you want to take that top piece right here and fold it all the way up, just like this, okay? So that's going to be the gas port. So just make sure it's the shorter edge, longer edge right here. And now you want to take this bottom flap right here, and if you look in the back side right here, you see that corner. Fold that corner right up to the bottom edge, okay? So take that piece and fold it down until that corner touches the bottom edge, okay? And make sure right here it's in the center, and yeah, because this is lightly folded and you might miss the center. Yeah, just make sure this is parallel, okay? So let that corner touch the bottom edge, like so. Okay, and now move this aside just for a second and fold this corner right here right up to this edge right here, okay? So fold this right back until that corner touches this edge, or that corner right there, just like that. And then you're going to fold this up as well. Just like that. So make sure the shorter edge is in the front and the longer edge is in the back, okay? Slant and fold this back up. And now for the magazine, see this triangle, you're going to fold that triangle inside, okay? So you see where that corner is, or you can line this edge against this edge, okay? So just make sure that triangle is inside, just like that. Unfold. Then you want to open up that pocket right here. Then hide and fold that triangle right inside, okay? Hide it right in the pocket. Fold it back down. And then you want to sink in the back side a bit. So you want to kind of fold this down just a bit, and you want to fold this edge to the center, and also same thing, this edge to that center, and fold it right up to this crease line, okay? So that triangle right here. Okay, so this edge, and fold that right up to the center and stop at that crease line. Make sure it's neatly folded. And same thing here, this edge to the center, and make sure you stop it at that crease line on top, okay? Okay, then fold it back down. Okay, then fold it back forward, just like that. And now I'm going to do the barrel. It's going to be the same thing as the SKS. Okay, so if you watch that video, you might know. But if you haven't, okay, it's going to be a little tricky to explain. But you're gonna fold that edge all the way down, and at the same time you're gonna move this piece down, okay? So you're gonna pinch just right here. So about there is gonna be the width of the barrel. Okay, you're gonna fold that edge about third way in. So you're gonna pinch right there. You're gonna fold this down, piece down, just like that. And you're gonna fold this edge about third way up. So width of this should equal the same width as the one on top. Okay, and you might get a little tangled here. Just straighten that out. Yeah. So around here, it gets a little tangled up. So make sure you straighten that out. Yep, and fold that edge right up. So let me show you. Okay. And now you want to fold this edge. You want to open this up. And you want to fold this edge right down to the center, okay? So fold that piece in half. Okay, see the gas port for the SKS? You want to fold that down as well. Okay, so bring this edge down to the center. Okay, then fold it back down. Okay, and now you see this long piece? You're gonna fold it, you're gonna open this pocket, and you're gonna fold it about halfway into the model. Doesn't have to be kind of exact, but you want that piece sticking out for the gas port. Okay, so you're gonna fold it around halfway. So you're gonna eyeball it and fold it right around there. So that's about halfway. Let me fix that just a bit. So you see, about halfway in. Okay, and now we're going to fold this down, leaning against this edge right on top. And then you're going to fold this piece in half. So you're going to bring this bottom edge right up to the top, okay? Just like that. Straighten that out a bit. And kind of put this into the pocket, okay? And now you want to flip this over, and you see where this corner is. You want to bring that triangle right up for the front sight. Flip this back over and fold this triangle in half. So you want to bring that front edge right up to that back edge, okay? So fold that triangle right in half. Okay, and you want to fold this edge in right up to the barrel, okay? Okay, and you see where the back piece was, right around there. You want to make the stock right here. So fold this down until this corner touches the bottom edge or around there. So fold it kind of in a slant, then fold it back out like that. Then fold the top edge to shape out the stock. Kind of level that up. And then fold the bottom edge as well, but don't fold this corner. Just push in a little bit of that edge to shape out the stock once more. Okay, and for the magazine, you want to open up the back pocket, fold it down, then fold it back forward, just like that, and kind of close that up. Okay, and here is my Type 63. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.